Hi, you want to install apps on the iPhone 16, then you need to open App Store, and here on the bottom of the screen you can see 5 tabs: Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and the Search one. So in the Today section you can see top apps this week, today's highlights, today's biggest events, and so on. Just scroll through the list to see everything, and maybe you'll find something that you want to install. Now in the games section, you can check only the games apps, most popular, most play games, and so on. In the apps section, you can see apps essential, this week's favorite, don't miss these events, and so on. Arcade one is you need a subscription for that to use it. And the search bar, here you can check this browse section and just select something from the list. Or if you know which app you want to install, you can use the search bar to type the name of this app manually. So for example, let's select WhatsApp and it will appear right here in the list. So to install it, you can just tap the icon first and check information about this app, check the reviews and ratings. And to install, you can just tap this blue button. In your case, it would be the button Get, like this. So you just need to tap it. Then you will need to double click to install and also scan your Face ID if you set it up. And after that, it will start loading and then you will see the button to open it and it will appear here on your home screen and also in the app library. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.